As Tongaloa pounds away. Whoa.
Offense by defense.
Fuck that shit! I hate you, motherfucker! Shit!
God forbid now.
Damn you!
Speak at the Rule Breakers Convention.
An obscene amount of strength, Steve.
Obscene is right.
If it... Eat shit, motherfucker!
Got him!
What the fuck?
You've had heat, Rocky, before, right?
What's that?
You've had heat before.
Yeah, I've had a little heat here and there in my career.
You've done bad things in the ring. You've done bad things outside the ring.
Right.
You've felt the wrath of your opponents
Yes.
for the resulting actions. You ever had Twitter heat?
Nope.
That man does.
That man has nuclear heat.
Brother. And it's just what he wants. Tama Tonga has been a thorn in the side of this entire tournament. Just one win and 2 points so far, but is making headlines for things that he has said and rivalries that he has started. Should we expect any less from the man who was the catalyst for what happened at San Francisco?
It's time, brother. It's time to remind everyone what we were, how far we came off that path, and what we're willing to do to take us back.
You wanna be the leader of the Bullet Club? Then you gotta represent the Bullet Club. Who the fuck is that elite? The Dream Team? The Super Click? You wanna be a Bullet Club? Then you be one of us.